Hello. First of all, thank you for being here and being interested in Boundless. And I wanted to just make a couple-minute video, so this won't be very long, letting you see me and hear me and just have an opportunity to verbally express what the heart of this training is. So I'm coming here right after a shower in my backyard, very real. And that word real, authentic, is one that I hear very often with regards to their experience with this training. So I wanted to come not all made up with makeup and a set, but literally out of the shower, a corner in my backyard. Here it is. What I want to say about this training is that the heart of this training, and I think this is really essential for you to really hear from me, it's founded on the knowing that it's not simply about learning skills, learning cueing and languaging, when it comes to being seen and holding space for others. And I mean that, whether your desire is to actually go on and teach and really hold transformative space for others in a class capacity, but we're holding space and being seen for people, even in our families, when we're having conversations with our families, with our friends, with our peers, with our coworkers. So no matter what, whether this is in the classroom or in our life, we have to be seen, and we're holding space in one way or another. So again, it's not just about learning, but it really takes a certain level of nervous system repair to do that with presence and eloquence. And I look at that as an unlearning. So when we are doing deep nervous system repair, we're unlearning a lot of the trauma and the beliefs and the narratives and our automatic reactions to life and to others. And it also takes learning resourcing tools, not relearning, but learning resourcing tools. And I call this relearning. So there's a learning aspect, an unlearning aspect, and a relearning aspect for us to really step into what I refer to as embodied leadership. This is the type of presence that is truly present, where our body, it's not just our mind and our words that are there, but our body is there. And teaching yoga is far more than just guiding people through postures. This training is a true mind, body, and soul training, and it's a deeply, deeply transformative practice. So as you move through this webpage and read more, I just want you to be really clear that if, a teacher training, and this is fine if that's who you are and what you want, if you think it's about like becoming, like Instagram worthy of the asanas, that's not really what this 8 months journey is about. And really, in my perspective, not what any 200-hour yoga teacher training should be about. It is a deep healing practice that on the other end of this has the potential, of course, yes, to open the doors for you to become a yoga teacher and to hold transformative spaces in many capacities for others. But it is a journey for you to really up-level how you're showing up in the world, what your values are, the way you communicate with others. It is a beautiful and, just life-transforming process. And that's why I say this is, the work we do here is uniting healing and leadership. And if that's something you feel really called to, then I encourage you to keep scrolling, explore the dates for this training and all the other things, and then apply, and I'll be in touch. So thank you so much for taking some time to listen to me, and we'll be in touch soon, I hope.